everyone again. Welcome to my channel. This is a little quick cook with me video I want to make. And we're going to make ham and cheese sliders. So here we go. Welcome to the video of Cook With Me. Okay everyone, what we're going to do first. Now I'm preheating my oven to 400 degrees. And I've got these, if you can see it, they're Hawaiian rolls. They're just the Food Line brand. I got mine at Food Line. But they're just like standard Hawaiian rolls. Now I'm going to put these in. I use a glass pan. Preferably, I mean, you can use any pan. But this is, glass pans is a lot I prefer. Okay. Now I'm going to cook all of them because they can be leftovers as well. Now, you do need to take a knife and, which some people don't. I'm going to do this. I'm going ahead and cutting my bread. That way it's not stuck together at the end. So you can do that part ever how you want. And that way they're already, again, pulled apart at the end. So that's going to take a second, guys. Put your tops to the side. And this is how I prefer how to do mine. So if you want to do yours differently, that's fine. This is how I do mine, though. And I tell you, this is going to be delicious. This is our supper tonight. And this is going to be super delicious. We love them. We're even going to have some leftovers, which I'll just put in the refrigerator and throw it in the microwave. Be good anytime we want a little sandwich here. All right. Now I've got all these spread apart. Let me set my buns here to the side. Let me get something to set my buns on here. Okay. Okay, guys. The next thing is you can use whatever ham you want. I got this one a little bit on sale at Food Line, Black Forest ham. As you can see. So I don't know if I'll use it all. Let me get into it here. Get it opened up. Taking a minute to tear into it, y'all. Okay. Now I'm going to take, just spread it at the top part. Get my knife again here. There we go. This will be easier. Get some ham on each one. Here, this might be. I just tear it apart with my hands. And then ever how you want to spread it apart at your home, your food, your cooking. So you do it ever how you want to do it. I'm doing it how I want to do it. So I'm adding all this ham to each one. I tell you guys, this is good stuff right here. Just trying to make sure each one's got a pretty good amount there. Okay, I had a little left. What? Let me go ahead and get another one out. I think I'm going to go ahead and use all of these. But put a little bit more on that one. And y'all, this stuff is really good. Again, it's good to put in a Ziploc bag and to keep in the fridge. That's a little bit. There we go. Kind of spreading it out there. Oh, that'll wait a minute. Now I've got this cheese. It's from Food Line. All American cheese deli style. I got it on sale too. Their deli stuff was on sale when I went in there that day. So I got some really good deals, y'all. Okay. And some cheese slices out there. All right. Now I'm going to kind of pull it apart to cover each one. And you can use whatever kind of cheese you want. This is just what I wanted to use. Okay, I put the cheese in the fridge. Now, let's try to put our buns back on here. That one belongs there. This is a little longer. Here we go. Put these down there. And all right. Over there. I'm sorry, I'm bad to clean as I go. So here's the mixture. Let me set this to the side. I want to show y'all the mixture here. This is butter, and I'll put temperatures, ingredients, and stuff as I go and tell you about it, and you'll see it in the picture of the video. But personally, this is Country Crock. I like Country Crock. It's a plant based butter. Just my preference. You can use whatever butter you want, but I melted the butter already in the microwave. Now you take the end of this off. Personally, I use garlic powder. You could also use onion powder. So I put about a teaspoon in there. Now I don't have any, but you can also put a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce in there. Now one of the key ingredients, Dijon mustard. I have the Food Line generic brand. That's just as good. Crepe Papan. That's the same thing. Dijon mustard. Do you have some Great Papan, y'all? So I use, some people use a teaspoon. I put two. Black pepper. You can do that to your taste. And again, I don't have any here, but Worcestershire sour sauce is always good also on this. So anyway, stir it up. Get it all blended nicely. Now, and pour this. You make sure you stir it up all together really nicely, as you can see. The mustard's all blended in. So now we can go and start putting it on top of the mixture. Get it all down the top, the sides. Let it be everywhere. And get this stuff on there. If you've never tried this recipe, guys, you don't know what you're missing. This stuff is some good eating right here. All right. Now I'm going to pop these in the oven. And again, it's 450 degrees, the temperature of your oven. I'm going to put this in there for 12 minutes. Come back and let's see how it looks. I hope y'all can't wait. I can't wait to show it to you. Here is the ham cheese sliders as soon as I got them out of the oven. Don't they look so delicious, everyone? Thank you for joining me. God bless each and every one of you.